Okay, let's take a look at your course, and we'll take a look at this first assignment that you're having some problems with. So you can see that I am currently on the home page for the course right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on modules. And I'm going to scroll down to our first module, which is the CTAE Foundations. The first thing that you were to do was to read the communications in the workplace pages. And you can kind of think of these as the textbook for the course. So you were supposed to have read all 5 of these pages. There's page 1, page 2. You may have to scroll down through the page. Page 3, all the way down. Page 4, and then page 5. So after you've read those pages, I'm going to come back here to modules to see what we needed to do next. Scrolling down, so here's your first assignment, responses to customer complaint role-play project. Print off the customer complaint answer document from the sidebar on the right. Evaluate each situation in the role-play activity. Once you've completed your handout, you will then submit the assignment to your teacher. And you can see once you've completed the document, right here at the top, there's a blue Submit Assignment button. All right, I've also given you a screenshot where within the reading module you're going to find this particular activity. It's on page 3 as I've circled, and over here on the right is the sidebar, and it says Customer Complaint Role Play Project. I'm going to come back over here to our module. I said it was on page 3. Okay, again, over here on the right is the document that you would download. I'm going to cancel that. Down here at the bottom is the actual directions to that worksheet and also the scenarios. So as you scroll through this document, there's your directions, there's situation number 1 for the worksheet, situation number 2 for the worksheet. So you're really looking at the scenario of what is the customer complaint, and you're in the role of the person who's going to help the customer come to a resolution. Once the worksheet is filled out, save it, submit it. Let me know if you have any questions.